7:14 right now on Fox 43 Morning News. There is a good chance you've heard of people gaining the freshman 15 in college. Now nearly 2 years after dealing with the pandemic, people are talking about the COVID-15 instead.
Fox 43's Amy Lutz looks at a recent study to see if there's any merit to that phase in today's Health Smart with Fox 43.
15 million people. That's how many people researchers from Harvard studied to see if those so-called COVID curves were really a thing. And what they found probably won't surprise you. They looked at patients' weights over the course of the pandemic, and as it turns out, 39% of them packed on some pounds. So that means if you've been upset with the number that you've been seeing on your scale recently, you're not alone. So why did this even happen? Sure, gyms closed and we weren't as active. And yes, many of us started getting more fast food drive-through. But researchers say an even bigger factor for weight gain throughout the pandemic has been stress.
And that stress leads to elevated cortisol levels. Short term, that's not necessarily a bad thing, but if it's elevated for days at a time with all that stress, that cortisol increases your appetite, and specifically, it increases your appetite for sweet, salty, fatty foods.
Health and wellness expert Dr. David Geyer says there's also evidence that our bodies metabolize food more slowly when under stress. He's seen people gain anywhere from 5 pounds up to 30. So if you are one of the millions of people trying to get back to the old you, here are some simple things to try. Have fun. Move your body in a fun way every day and mark it on your calendar and to-do list so that it has to get done. Eat more plants and fewer processed foods. Get a good night's sleep and try to go to sleep at the same time every night. And find a way to manage that stress. That can be through meditation, yoga, or exercise. Whatever your weight goal may be, having a plan is key, and experts say make sure it's sustainable and allows you to still live a little. You can view our entire week-long series on weight management. It's all on our website, fox43.com. Amy Lutz, Fox 43 News.